Well, let's see. Today is the 20th or the 21st? 21st. And Jen and I are outside with the kitties playing in the X pen that we got from the shelter. They really are liking to pounce. Didn't see the cage there or what, buddy? Kitty, 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 kitty. You think so? Huh? Let's get some close-up pictures. Look at those toes. Look at those toes. You want your close-up too? Huh? There's the shy one. The all black one is the shyest. Hi. Look at those toes. Are you shy? Huh? Are you shy?